Good day! Welcome back to Math A YouTube channel. In this channel, we're going to discuss different topics in mathematics. Our lesson for today is addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions. Dissimilar fractions are fractions with different denominators. Example, 6 over 11 and 2 over 3. It is also called as unlike fractions. In the given example, the denominators are 11 and 3, so they are different from each other. These are the rules in addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions. 1. Change into similar fraction by finding the least common denominator. 2. If the denominators are already the same, add or subtract the numerator, then copy the denominator. And 3. Simplify if needed. Let us perform the indicated operation. 4 over 5 plus 2 over 15. So first, we have to change these fractions into similar fraction by finding the least common denominator. In order to find the least common denominator, we have to get first the LCM or the least common multiples. So, we have to consider these two denominators. So, let us get the least common multiple of each denominator. So, 5, the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and more. And then, the multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, and more numbers. In the given denominator, the common multiples are, we have 30 is common between 5 and 15, and also 15. Okay? So, there are two common numbers. But from the word least, we have to get the smallest number. And the smallest number is 15. So, therefore, 15 is our least common denominator. So, next, since we have here 15 as our least common denominator, we can now proceed in finding the equivalent fraction. So, 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3, and 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So, the equivalent fraction of 4 over 5 is 12 over 15. Copy the operation, which is addition, and then 15, again, as the LCD, 15 divided by 15 is 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Next, since we have here now similar fractions, we can now proceed to adding the numerators and then copy the least common denominator. So that would be equal to 14 over 15. So 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Copy the LCD, which is equal to 15. Another example, 7 over 8 minus 3 over 6. So that would be equal to the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and more numbers. And the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, so on and so forth. So, the common between the multiples are, we have here the number 24. Okay, so 24 is considered as the least common denominator. So, we have to write 24 in the denominator, 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. Then 3 times 7 is equal to 21. Copy the operation, which is subtraction. Next, again, the LCD, which is equal to 24. 24 divided by the second denominator, which is 6. That would be equal to 4. And then multiply 4 by the numerator, which is 3. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So these two fractions are the equivalent fraction of the original fraction. So 21 over 24 is the equivalent fraction of 7 over 8, and 12 over 24 is the equivalent fraction of 3 over 6. So that would be equal to, subtract the numerators and then copy the denominator. 21 minus 12 is equal to 9, and then copy the LCD, which is equal to 24. So 9 over 24 can be simplified, and that would be equal to 3 over 8. Another example, 6 over 7 plus 2 over 21. So that would be equal to, the multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28. And the multiples of 21 are 21, 42, 63, so on and so forth. So, what is the common multiple? So, we have here number 21. So, 21 is our LCD. So, 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3 times 6 is equal to 18. Copy the operation, which is addition. And then 21 divided by 21 is 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Since we have here similar fractions, we can now add the numerators. 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. And then copy the LCD, which is equal to 21. Another example, 8 over 9 minus 1/2. So that would be equal to, get the multiples of 9, 9, 18, 27, 36, and so on and so forth. And then multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. The least common multiple here is number 18. So our LCD is 18. So divide 18 by 9. That would be equal to 2 times 8 is equal to 16. And then minus 18 divided by 2 is 9 times 1 is equal to 9. So subtract the numerators. We have here 16 minus 9. That would be equal to 7 over 18. That ends our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Grace. See you again next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye!